Did you know about these interesting facts about your body? Do you think you know everything about your body? Or you must have heard a lot about it in your biology class. It took us several thousands of years to become what we are today, and the evolution never really stops. So, it is good to know a thing or two, or maybe 30, about your body. We are here to tell you some mind-boggling facts about your body, and we have saved the best for the last, so to know, keep watching till the end. Number 30. What is the similarity between you and the ocean? Both have the same percentage of salt. Don't believe us? Then check for yourself. Number 29. How often do you blink? A person blinks about 15,000 times a day and 7.1 million times a year. On the other hand, a newborn blinks only once or twice in a minute. An average person spends 5 years of their total lifetime blinking. Number 28. When should we use the phrase "New Year, New Me"? The answer is after every 10 years. Why? Because all the bones in our body completely renew them in 10 years. Number 27. Which part of your body keeps growing? And that is your ears. Yes, they keep growing all through your life, and they grow unbelievably fast. They may grow up to 1/4 millimeter a year. Number 26. Is there any body part that we won't have in the future? Our toes is something that we will probably not have in the future. In the older times, our ancestors used them to climb trees and have a grip on things. But now, we don't use them as much. So research says that we may not have them at all till the 2550s. Number 25. Just like every human being has a different and unique fingerprint, we also have different and unique tongue prints. Number 24. There's a way you can still increase your height. You want to know how? If you wish to increase your height 1 to 2 centimeters more, then there is a way to do that. But for that, you need to travel to space. The height increases to up to 2 centimeters. Number 23. Have you ever thought about why you laugh when you are being tickled? It happens because it is an involuntary reaction and you have no control but to laugh, even when you are in physical pain from the tickling and also, well, the laughing. Number 22. The age-old myth that we only use 10% of our brain is not true. We use 100% of it, just not always. Number 21. The acid inside our stomach is so powerful that it can dissolve metals too. So, if you have ever swallowed any metals, then don't worry. Your stomach will get rid of them. Don't try, by the way. Number 20. Your sense of smell and taste are linked together. If you can't smell properly, you won't be able to taste anything at all. You might think you are eating a potato when you're eating an apple, if you have no sense of smell. Number 19. A human being is the only organism with a chin, so you should feel a little proud of it. Number 18. Your mouth could be the grossest place, as the number of bacteria in your mouth is equal to all the people living on the earth. So, if you ever think to skip brushing your teeth, then you probably should consider it again. Number 17. We have a misconception that there are only 4 types of blood groups in the world. But actually, there are about 29 different types of blood groups. The rarest of them all is only found in a family in Japan. Number 16. Do you know you have mites on your eyelashes? It is a fact that almost all people in the world have a specific type of mites living on their eyelashes. Yikes! Number 15. If you had $1 for every time your heart beats, you would be a millionaire. It is shocking to know that our heart beats 35 million times in a year. Number 14. You shed up to 2 kilograms of your total weight in the form of dead skin cells. Our body sheds 1 million dead skin cells every day. Number 13. You won't believe how strong a single strand of your hair is. Scientists have said that a single strand of our hair can hold up an apple without breaking. Number 12. Women can distinguish and see more color as compared to men. This is because the gene that helps us with this is found in the Y chromosome. So, where men can only look at the general colors, women can distinguish them in different tones too. Number 11. Not only do men can see fewer colors than women, but a boy also has fewer taste buds as compared to a girl. Number 10. Along with all the other things, our brain is also capable of generating electricity. This power of our brain is the strongest when we are asleep. It can be used to power a single light bulb. Number 9. Have you ever wondered about your thoughts? Or have you ever thought about your thought? On average, a person has 50,000 random thoughts every day. Shocking, right? Number 8. You cannot chew your food and breathe at the same time, but a toddler can do both. Number 7. Which is the strongest part of your whole body according to you? Many will say their bones, which is wrong. It is our teeth that are the strongest. They are as strong as a shark's teeth. Number 6. We love our hair, don't we? Our hair is also the most important because it has our DNA and we can find out almost everything from them. They're also the most indestructible part of our bodies. Number 5. A baby has more bones than an adult. They have 270 bones at the time of their birth. Number 4. Our eyes have a resolution of 500 megapixels. The camera has not yet been invented that can click a picture as clear as our eyes can. Number 3. The pink part on the side of our eyes is an extra eyelid. It was a feature that our ancestor possessed to clear any dirt that got into our eyes. Number 2. The music you hear connects with your heart. It is quite true. We can sync our heartbeats to the music we are listening to. Number 1. Our bodies have a percentage of stardust. No, we are not trying to be romantic here. It is because when a star dies, the dust travels in the universe and then settle on some planets and then on different objects. Don't forget to tell us which out of these was your favorite and like and share with people you know. Subscribe to know more such interesting facts.